You rue the day you thought you could waste my labours without recompense. Glorious cold. Will you pass on this time too, Lord Phantomhive? I'll pass. It's my policy not to shoot if I know it There is no need to begin frothing at the mouth. I'll be a good boy and sit. I shall commit myself to the task of your face and get your mother. Dear, what an awful thing to do to a perfectly good tailcoat. You could have avoided that, idiot. I thought Sebastian would be the only one inconvenienced. I never expected that I would be affected by it as well. To be completely frank, That is true, but if I couldn't do something so simple, then what kind of butler would he be, really? Would use his body to shield. How can I ever thank you, Ciel? Thank me? Well, you could start with a drum for one. One more thing! Be careful that Madam Brand doesn't catch wind of what we're doing! This is the sort of thing she likes. We don't need her poking her nose in it. Put the blame where the f***ing shit. Vince guard dog isn't cheap. A trifling little spider like you could never afford a taste. But if you don't mind having your legs ripped off, then by all means try it. I would say it's the last time we heard your explanation for all this.